Hello, Rachel. Now, you are regarded as one of the experts, well, the expert on contracts for getting people paid on time. In fact, you're known as the contract queen, if I'm correct. Is that right?
It is right, yes.
Absolutely excellent. And of course, you came to one of our workshops on influence and persuasion. How did you find it?
Absolutely brilliant. Really, really enjoyable. So much actually implemented on the day and taken away. There's so many words that have powerful meanings and you don't actually realise how powerful they are until you go on this workshop. It's absolutely brilliant.
That's excellent. And will it help your business?
Oh, absolutely, it'll help my business. In fact, one of my action points for 2018 is to make sure I action all my action points from your workshop that I went on in 2017.
Absolutely brilliant. And I've no doubt people will be paid even quicker. So thank you very much for that. And, well, I look forward to seeing you shortly. Bye.